Excuse me, what? What? Buffalo! Excuse me! You forgot the tones!
Reception of the broadcast and of the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability
I'm screen sharing.
from the transmitters can occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for the hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: KEB 98 Buffalo and WWT 32 Riddle Valley. The counties of
I don't think they toned. They just forgot the tones. Well, that's a fail.
Ontario, Charlene, Seneca, Wayne, Wyoming, WNG 539, Spencer Court, Monroe County.
Sorry.
Watertown, the counties of
My base, this was in here, I'm sorry.
WZ 526 Lyons, the counties of Wayne, Cayuga, Monroe, Ontario, and Seneca. WNG 541 Jamestown, Chautauqua County. We now return to regular programming.
This is the No Weather Radio KEB 98 in Buffalo and
Okay, I'm making this two fails because they didn't do the EOMs.
I just worry.
Buffalo, what
When
the
is your
fuck?
weekly?
What are you doing, Buffalo? Dad, be quiet. Anyways. Terrence?
What?
Buffalo didn't do the end of their tones as
Yo,
well.
Terry,
What?
when does your weekly go off?
It's about time. Why? Oh my god! Kapawa, what? Are you? Oh, you fucker. You son of a... I'm done. Why? You stupid... Oh my... you PC! You didn't even... Well, that was better for you to deserve it. Eton, you want to explain for me this again? You used to do the 7-hour back in November, but now you're doing this for 9 hours? What is up with you, Eton? You were not supposed to activate for that. You were supposed to activate for a weekly. What the frick? Not only this, but the Capello failed. I hate you, Capello. No, you actually failed that test, and I'm not even surprised. WO120 activated. HH did the third header for some weird reasons. And yeah, Wedicus, I am mad at you. Even at you, it's 1 4 9 hours and 50 9 hours and 56. What the heck?